Tiga.
Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Innalhamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fa huwal mudhill lahu wa may yudhlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Okay, everyone. How was your day?
Good, very good, very well.
I hope your day very good and very well. And today I want to presentation about all of my project in Figma. Not all, but only a few. And I will tell you the process. But before we go to the presentation, at first I want to introduce myself. My name is Furqan Abdul Aziz. I was from 8th grade from IDN boarding school, especially at 8th class. Okay, without further ado, let's just go to the presentation. So, this is one of my project in IDN boarding school that I made for Dinia project, that is mind mapping for Jumat Sunnah. Why did I make this? First thing, the first reason is because Safairul or the Dinia teacher in here that tell us about Vicky and the other tell us to do this project to make a mind mapping about adab-adab in Jumat. So we know what all the sunnah, and I hope if you like it and if you was curious about how I make it, I will tell you. So at first you can see in here there is so many icons, there is texts, and there is another element in here. But at first I need to combine these two pieces. So if you can see, there is one rectangle in here, one big rectangle, and then one rectangle again in here, and in here there is mask. So I make this a group, and then I combine this and add an outline. And as you can see, there is about 12, I think, and for the assets, I searched in a plugin called Iconify in Figma, and also there is some asset that I take in Canva, like this leaf, this falling leaf, and this one in the bottom. So for the next is, it's just my personal project, but I like to give you some example what you can do in Figma. So in here there is so many pages, and what is this? This is a web login page interface design. I make it by myself because that's one time my multimedia teacher tell us about the UI UX design is about making a web login page. So I just make it by myself. And as you can see, this is a section I already made, but you cannot see it. This is a section, and there is you can see in here, maybe you cannot see the web login page 6, web login page 2, like this. It was the frame. Why there is so many frame? Because in here I will make a flow, so the developer can program it better. So they just need to make it without hesitate. For the animation, where will this go and where will this go? So they know what is the workflow. And in here, for the next, I will tell you this is the prototyping, and then this is how that project will be started, and how it will goes. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. If there is something that I want to say and maybe you doesn't understand something, it's alright. And if you are still asking what is the software that I use for today's presentation, what the software I use for today's presentation is Figma. And if you want to know Figma more, you can go to my YouTube channel or my website furqan.my.id. so you can search
Oh, so
and
cool.
see my presentation later. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If there is something that I want to say, it's from me and from Shaitan. If there is if the right thing is only from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.